Mr. Speaker, say yes, we do have a understanding with the villagers that they will protect the site. There's some understanding, kind of a written understanding, but not a binding. It's a memorandum of understanding that there are certain things they need to do because we're investing in that particular site. We have established a small bure there. It cost us a lot of money. Overall, we spent about $10,000 in the stage one. The number of stages, Mr. Speaker, of developing that park. Stage one, we planted the native forest species. We have constructed a trek. It's a long trek, Mr. Speaker, it's about 2 kilometers. It's a lot of work there. We spent a month there, our casual laborers and our architects were there. We have planted these native trees. So there are certain requirements that the villagers need to play in terms of ensuring that we protect these trees as they grow, protect the site. No one kind of damages the infrastructure that we have constructed. There are also other issues that villages are required to deal with, because when we are coming in as a ministry, and if we find there's a issue with that village, they need to do an undertaking. I tell you, with Ambada village, there was a major complaint about how they're treating their dogs who are used for pig hunting. And there was a major complaint to our ministry that you're going and investing, but the villages are mutilating the dogs and using for catching. So they gave a written understanding. I said that we don't want to be party to a place where we find that there is abuse of animal rights. So there are certain things that also falls outside that they give an undertaking before we go in and partner with them. Thank you.